Hello students, in this video we are going to read 10th chapter from our book Honeysuckle. The story name is The Banyan Tree, written by Ruskin Bond. This is a story about what the author saw. As a young boy, when he was sitting in an old banyan tree, the author would often sit in the banyan tree and read books. Sometimes he would look down through the leaves at the world below. A squirrel would come to him fearlessly and eat morsels from his hand, morsels a small part of food. You can also look at the picture. This is a banyan tree. Here, this is banyan tree, and here the squirrel is eating something. In the spring season, the banyan tree was the noticed when the garden with all sorts of birds and a squirrel coming to eat figs. Figs is the red fruit that is beared by the banyan tree. One particular afternoon, he happened to see a fight between a mongoose. So, one afternoon he saw a fight between mongoose and the cobra. He saw the huge black cobra was gliding out of the clump of cactus. At the same time, the mongoose emerged in the bushes and went straight to the cobra. So, both the cobra and mongoose were in front of each other. You can also look at the picture. Here this is mongoose and here this is cobra. Both the snake and mongoose come face to face in a clearing. So, here are some qualities of mongoose and cobra has been described. The 3 feet long mongoose was a superb fighter, clever and aggressive. The cobra too was a skillful and experienced fighter. He was to be battle of champions. So, it will be the battle of champion between cobra and mongoose. Soon 2 spectators came there. Spectators means darshak. So the battle was on and there was 2 spectators. One was Maina and other was a jungle crow. So here this is jungle crow and this is Maina. These 2 birds the spectators. The fight went on for a long time. The mongoose bit the snake on the back and darted away. Here is the word darted away. So dart, D-A-R-T, dart means to move quickly. Move, M-O-V, move quickly, move quickly. Dart means move quickly. The crow actors. So the crow and Maina was not just seated and become a good spectators, they also intrude between them. The third time they came diving at cobra. The cobra wiped his head back and struck his great force, his stout and turning against the crow body. So now the cobra killed crow. Crow was the spectator, and this time when crow went between mongoose and cobra, so this time cobra killed crow. जो कौवा आया था जंगल कौवा, उसे कोबरा मार देता है. He fluttered about for a while and then lay dead. थोड़ा देर तक उसने अपने विंग्स को फ्लटर किया, then he lay dead. You can also look at the picture here. How the cobra is looking at crow. By now, the cobra had become very weak and ceased to struggle. So now the cobra has become very weak. How the cobra become very weak? Because mongoose were darted quickly and it make cobra very tired, and so he become weak and ceased to struggle. अब cobra बिल्कुल struggle करना बंद कर देता है. The mongoose gripped it round the hood. उसके hood को पकड़ता है. Grip करना means पकड़ना पूरे से, and drag it into the bushes. घसीट के ले जाता है bushes, झाड़ियों में. So this was the end of the story. So you can say the mongoose was the winner. Let's come to the exercise. Working with text, page number 131. So first question is, the old banyan tree did not belong to grandfather but only to the boy, because the answer will be, the grandfather at 65 could not longer climb it. So the banyan tree belonged to author's grandfather, but he was at the age of 65, so he could not climb to the author, the young boy. Second question, the small grey squirrel become friendly when he found that the boy did not arm himself with catapults and air gun. फर्स्ट सबसे पहले तो स्क्वायरल को लगा था कि शायद ये ह्यूमन बींग है, ये मुझे मार दे, मे बी इसके पास कोई आर्म्स हो, कोई हथियार हो. बट वेन ही फाउंड डैट नो दिस इज़ द वेरी गुड बॉय, सो ही बिकम फ्रेंडली विद द ऑथर. Third, when the boy started to bring him pieces of cake and biscuit, the squirrel became quite bold and was soon taking morsels from the author's hand. Here is a word morsels. Morsels means जो खाना का छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा होता है, the small bits of food, you can say. In the spring, the banyan tree dash and dash would come there. So in a spring season, what happened to the banyan tree was full of a small red figs. स्मॉल रेड फिग्स जो पेड़ पे बैनियन ट्री पे आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि छोटे छोटे रेड कलर का फल लगे होते हैं, छोटा छोटा सा, डेट इज फिग्स. And words of all kind would come here. So the full sentence will be, in the spring the banyan tree was full of small red figs and the words of all kinds would come there. Fifth, the banyan tree served the boy as a library. So boys made a small library there, a crude library you can say. वो वहाँ पे कुशन लेकर गया था, एंड देन ही लीन अगेंस्ट द ट्री एंड यूज टू रीड ऑन दैट ट्री. और जब वो थक जाता था तो वो नीचे की जो दुनिया थी, एनिमल्स वर्ल्ड में, वो झांकता था कि क्या हो रहा है. और फिर वही एक वन आफ्टरनून ही फाउंड अ बैटल बिटवीन कोबरा एंड mongoose. So the full sentence will be fifth, the banyan tree served the boy as a library. Sixth, the young boy spent his afternoon in the tree when it was not too hot. So this was the story, and also we have done the working with text. Thank you.